Today we are here celebrating an apprenticeship sign up for Hugh. This has been made possible due to Brett's Timber, an inclusive employer that is allowing people with disabilities an opportunity.
It's really a great opportunity for both parties. Hugh's been with us for a few months now and has really shown eagerness and a willing to learn. I've been with Brett's for 17 years now in a people and culture space for the last year, and I'm really excited about what we're doing here as an inclusive employer. It's really a neat environment whenever you're giving back to someone and you're seeing them grow and you're seeing opportunities being presented in front of them that they weren't even aware that were capable of having.
So today I just wanted to say a massive congratulations, Hugh, on achieving what you set out to do last September when you joined HELP, which was a locksmithing apprenticeship.
Thank you so much. I've never been given a cake like this. It's crazy.
Earlier this year, HELP merged with the Interwork group. What this has allowed is HELP to open the door with our sister company, Maz National, to create apprenticeship and traineeship opportunities.
So very excited here at Brett's. We have quite a number of employees and quite a number of apprenticeships available. So if you're interested, reach out to Brett's, reach out to Help Employment.
Thank you, Brett's and HELP, for the opportunity you've given me. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to becoming a qualified locksmith here at Brett's.